Hello, in front of me I've got HITSCAN Hyperlight. In this video I'll show you how to install sliders. In the beginning, in the original box, you will find this sticker with sliders on it. Take a look at the bottom of your mouse. By factory, the mouse has not installed the sliders. You can use those two to install here and here to install in the middle. If you want the shorter version, you can use those two to install up here and those two to install up here. Of course, again, this one is for the middle around the sensor. Let me show it on example of the one slider. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.